Hey guys, it's Cara, welcome back to the Rabbittina channel. Today we are doing a giveaway with Ribbler. So I know a lot of you already know about Ribbler because you guys were actually recommending I try it out, but for those who don't know what Ribbler is, it's an independent family-owned crafting platform for crocheters and knitters. So basically it's an app where you can browse patterns, you can buy patterns, you can even open up a shop and post your own patterns, and it's the first interactive e-pattern, which is really cool because you can easily track where you are in the pattern. You just click what row you're on or whatever step you're on, you can click it and it will cross it out for you so you know exactly where you are when you next jump into your pattern. So it's really great for people who can't sit down and crochet for a long time. If you're like on the go or constantly having to stop and start your projects, you can jump right back into the app, click on your pattern, and it's automatically saved where you've left off, and then you can just start crocheting again or knitting. They also have sewing patterns and Tunisian crochet on there as well. Another really cool thing about Ribbler is that their top priority is to keep the platform a really safe and inclusive community. So they actually reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to collab, so we've decided to do this giveaway, and they asked me to pick a pattern and one lucky winner will win this pattern on Ribbler. And just a side note, it's super quick and easy to set up an account. So if you don't have Ribbler, it's really simple. It takes literally a few minutes to sign up and then you're in. You can literally browse all the patterns, you can buy patterns, and start working on some really cool projects. So let me show you, well, you've probably seen it from the thumbnail, but this is the amigurumi design that I picked. Isn't it so adorable? It literally makes me smile so much. Look how cute his little face is. So this pattern is called Felix the Flower Boy, and just, oh my goodness. The pattern is designed by Ria Petals, who is an amigurumi designer from the UK. I absolutely love her style. It's so happy and so colourful. So yeah, check out her Instagram because it's just so dreamy and amazing and literally brings a smile to my face. As you can see, I'm grinning so much because look, he's so cute. I just want to squeeze him. So yeah, I literally finished this today using the pattern, and it was so easy to follow. Literally, I managed to do all of it without being like, oh, I'm a bit stuck, because I feel like some amigurumi patterns you can be a bit like, oh, I don't really know what I'm supposed to do here, but this, I followed it along and it was so easy. And look, he's all complete and looks so cute. Look at his little arms and the little dungarees, and then I put these little flower buttons on his dungarees, but so cute. Now let's get into the rules and how to enter the giveaway. So the rules are the same as usual. You've got to be subscribed to the Rabbittina channel, you can like the video, and then to enter I want you to comment down below what colours you would use to make Felix the Flower Boy, because I think you could do so many cool colour combos. You could even change the colour of the petals and do them different colours or something. I did a little cute yellow face, and then I actually did green, and I'm wearing my green wig and a green jumper today because we decided over on my Discord that we are going to do the whole thing where you basically pick a theme or a colour each month, and everyone's going to make something, crochet something or knit something in that theme or in that colour. So we decided that May is going to be the colour green. So yeah, I made his top a teal colour, which literally matches me, and then I made these mint green dungarees, and I think he looks so cute. So yeah, the colour for the month is green, and if you hop onto our Discord you can see the channel there. Everyone's talking about their green projects for the month, and at the end of the month we'll recap what we made. So this is my project, my first project. I don't know if I'm going to be making any more green projects for the month, but this is one of them. He's got some green clothes on, which I think is really cute. So yeah, just comment down below what colours you would use to make Felix, and that will be your entry to the giveaway. The giveaway will close in 1 week and I will announce the winner, and I'll ask you for your Ribbler username, and then Ribbler will send you the pattern as a gift. So this is really exciting. Yeah, thank you so much to Ribbler for sponsoring this giveaway. This is really exciting, and I hope you guys really enjoy this pattern because I really enjoyed it, and yeah, definitely check out Ria Petals on Instagram. Her style is so cool. Okay, I think that is everything for today's video. Make sure you check the description for all of the extra information that I didn't mention in the video. Okay, good luck, and I will talk to you in the next one. Happy crocheting, hope you're having a lovely day. Bye!